In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix X app isn't responding error. If you are experiencing this error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to fix this, you need first to troubleshoot your X app. To do this, go to settings and then go to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for X, tap on it to open, and here you want to go to force stop and OK, and finally go to clear data and clear cache. OK, finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and check and ensure that you're not using any VPN, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. If you have any VPN app, uninstall it or turn it off to see if this fixes your issue. In most cases, now this should work. However, if that does not work, then check and see if you have any update for your X app through Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.